They put her on the line in Sorting Bay 3, and I seen Brad smiling just a little too sweet. Ben said, "Careful, Sean, might flip his lid." Now I'm watching them both like a meth head squid. She's my darling, she's my queen. Met her in rehab back in 17. Now she's working close to that maintenance crew, and I swear they're plotting something I can't undo. They're all out to get my precious. Brad keeps flirting, acting suspicious. Ben laughs loud, but I know the truth. They wanna steal her and wreck my booth. I seen them whispering by the LGV gate, planning something to seal my fate. I ain't crazy, just a man under stress, 'cause they're all out to get my precious. I drank 3 Red Bulls just to keep me sane, but the cameras move when I call their name. Someone hid my gloves, messed with my lift, and the time clock beeped with a demon hiss. Her radio's off when I try to call, and she said Brad fixed her fan on the wall. Well, ain't that cute? Ain't that sweet? Next he'll be offering to rub her feet. They're all out to get my precious. This ain't no joke, it's malicious. I caught them laughing down in line 4. What the hell y'all smiling for? She's mine, I'll fight for her love, even if they fire me or send me above. My heart's in flames and my brain's a mess, 'cause they're all out to get my precious. Brad says, "Calm down, you're being weird," but I seen that look in his greasy beard. Ben's got jokes and the boss's grin, but I know what game they're playing within. They're all out to get my precious. This love ain't safe, it's contentious. I'll guard her with my forklift might, even if I'm wrong. I'll think I'm right. Ain't no rehab strong enough to pull me from this paranoid love. Might be tweaked, but I still confess they're all out to get my precious.